Earn $200 PayPal right now. Yes, this is no rocket science. You can literally earn money just by watching YouTube videos, very similar to what you are doing right now. You heard that right. In this video, I will demonstrate how to earn PayPal money online simply by watching YouTube videos. With this strategy, you'll be able to earn more than $200 per hour. So what's the strategy? We're here to help you out. Hello everyone, welcome to Financial Wealth. Hit the like and subscribe button with the cash bundle that you're going to earn after watching this video. And yeah, don't forget to press that bell icon because money never rings the bell, but we do. With that being said, let's get into it. Now, most of us watch videos on YouTube every single day. What if I told you that you can make money online simply by doing the same? You can earn up to $200 per hour just by watching YouTube videos. All you need for this method is a laptop or a computer and an internet connection. You can even do it with just your phone. You don't need any website, any credit card, and you can do this from anywhere in the world. You can earn $20 for one video playlist, $200 for 10 video playlists, and $400 for 20 video playlists. And that's quick maths. The best part about this method is that it is entirely free, so you don't need to make any investments to get started, and it is available worldwide. So no matter where you live, you can do this and earn money over and over. Hang tight and watch the entire video because I'll be showing you some extra tips to help you earn more money than everyone else. So let's get started. This is how to earn money using the YouTube trick. Let's go to YouTube right now and search for something like a plank tutorial. You'll see a lot of different results. You can also see that these videos have tens of thousands of views. Now let's put these videos to use in order to make money in today's strategy. The next step is to go to google.com and type in adfolk.us before pressing the search button. There are numerous results available right here, but I want you to click on the first one. This is the website's homepage. You can basically shrink, share, and earn on this website. Here you can earn a lot of money by shrinking some URLs and sharing them on the internet. So let's give it a shot. Visit YouTube. And using this video as an example, scroll down below and you'll see the share button right here. I'd like you to click on the share button to see a YouTube link, where you can share them on the internet. And anyone who clicks on this link will be directed to this specific video. Once you've copied this link, return to adfolk.us and paste your link right here to make it shorter. This website converts a long URL into a shorter one. You will generate income if someone clicks on the link. You can earn more than $20 if people in the United States click on your link. And if people in the United Kingdom click on your link, you'll earn more than $10. This is a fantastic opportunity to earn money online simply by sharing a simple internet link. Right now, I'll show you how to create a free account on this website. You can simply click on this sign up button right here. Then a window will appear with the text join adfolk.us. All you have to do is enter the required information, such as your email address and password, and you're good to go. Then simply click the I'm not a robot box right here, and then check the adfolk.us terms and conditions and privacy policy box before clicking the join now button. When you log into your account, you will see this message. You have incomplete account information. Please update your account information in order to be paid. It is really important to keep your account up to date so that you can be paid when you cash out your earnings. Simply click on this account settings link right here to be taken to this account information page. This is where you can make changes to your account's information. Simply enter your name, address, city, state, zip code, and country. The best part is that they are available globally, so it does not matter from which country you are. You can now proceed and fill out the necessary information. When you are finished, simply click on this update information right here. This website uses PayPal to pay you directly, making it very convenient and simple for you. When you update your information, you can do so right here in the automatic withdrawal section by scrolling down below. You can read about how to enable this option to automatically request a payment each month here. It is essential that you enable this option right now. So after you have clicked enable, go ahead and click this update setting button right here. So now that I've shown you the payout rates by country, you can see that when people in the United States click on your link, you'll earn more than $20. And if people from, say, Nepal click on your link, you will earn more than $1. That's a $19 difference, and it's significant. Stay tuned and watch the video all the way to the end because I'll show you how to get around this constraint. There are a lot of viral videos of people planking, as you can see here. For example, let's take this video right here and scroll down to the bottom and click on this share button right here. Then when this window appears, click on the copy button. Now return to adfolk.us and paste the link into this box right here. I'd like you to click on this shrink button after you've pasted the link. The link you pasted will be automatically shortened by this website. Now I want you to go through this process 5 times. I want you to find 5 videos, copy their links and shorten them on this website. The next step is to go to this website called forum.bodybuilding.com. This is a well-known website because many people come here to learn how to lose weight and live a healthy lifestyle. If you scroll down, you'll find a lot of posts about exercises and how to stay healthy. This website is being updated by a large number of people. The number of views for each post can be found here, and a large number of people are viewing these posts right now. Many of these, for example, has received over 10,000 views on this website. When you arrive at this website, the first thing I want you to do is to click on this button right here. As you can see, you can choose from a variety of countries. Now I want you to click on the United States because you will earn more than $20 if people in the United States click on your link. And that is truly incredible. For example, you can click on this post right here to find out what the hot topics are right now and to learn more about them. As you can see, people are leaving links that lead to videos in this post. This is an excellent method for increasing traffic and getting many people from all over the world to click on your link. Right now, I'd like to share a planking post template with you so you can get an idea of what to post on these forums. First, I educate people about planking. You can do a Google search for that, and if you scroll down below, you'll see that I've included links to planking tutorial videos. I highly suggest that you post 5 or more videos in order to earn more money when people click on your links. That is how you will make money using this method. As you can see how easy and convenient this method of earning is. All you have to do is basically copy-paste. The amount you earn depends on the effort and time you put into this. So good luck and start to make some money, folks. So guys, that's it for the day. If you haven't already, like the video and turn on notifications to be notified as soon as we post. It would be greatly appreciated if you share this video as much as possible and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a video from us. If you have any thoughts or suggestions about this video, please leave them in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace.